Welcome to driver training for the DataTruck mobile app. We will be going over basic menu navigation, as well as some of the more common features you will use in the app. Let's start by logging in to the app. On your company-issued device, locate and tap on the app DT Driver on your home screen. Do not use your email. Tap on Login by Username. Enter APL Cargo in the company name field as one word. Your username is the same as your McLeod driver code. Your password is lowercase APL followed by the last 4 digits of your SSN. Once signed in, you will see the load screen in the app. Any loads assigned to you will appear here and you will be able to select and edit them as needed. If you do not immediately see an expected assignment, tap the large blue button near the bottom of the page to refresh the list. We can now see the load assignment in the app. We will come back to the active load in a moment. Near the top of the screen are Processing and History. Processing will show loads that are not yet marked paid. History will show completed paid loads. Currently there is no data, as this is this driver's first load. The second primary menu at the bottom of the screen is Pay. Pay is where you will find processed settlement information, as well as submit reimbursement requests. The submenus at the top are Payroll, showing active settlement data, Statistics, allowing you to search for past settlement detail, and Requests, showing any pending reimbursement requests that are not yet approved. To submit a reimbursement request, tap on the plus in the top right corner of the screen. Fill in the amount of the request, the date the purchase was made, and then upload a scan of the purchase receipt. Make sure the receipt is legible in your upload, including the product, date, purchase location, and total. If you have a digital receipt or have already taken a picture of the receipt, you can also upload from the device gallery. Once the receipt is uploaded, enter what you purchased and why in the notes, then submit the request. If the purchase was requested or approved by someone else, enter that as well. After tapping Send at the bottom, you will see the request on the Requests page until it is approved or denied. The third primary menu is Chat. We will not use this and continue to communicate through Samsara. The fourth primary menu is Profile. Here, you will be able to view your assigned truck, trailer, and DC. The submenus are Personal Information, Documents, Request Time Off, and System Settings. Personal Information is a quick view of your account and status. Documents will provide at-a-glance record of your documentation, including expiration dates. It also holds a digital scan in case you misplace the physical copy. The Request Time Off menu allows you to submit a home time request to your DC. Select the start date and end date of your home time request, enter the reason in the notes section, then tap Send. Let's head back to the Loads menu and go through the steps for a load. Tap on the blue Confirm button to accept the load assignment. Then tap on the trip number to enter the load screen. Once you arrive at the shipper, tap the Check-in button to update the load. When loading is complete, tap the Checkout button. Then, tap the BOL button and upload a scan of the BOL. Select Scan option, as it will provide better text quality uploads. Adjust the frame if needed, then tap Keep Scan and Save in the bottom right corner. Tap Upload in the bottom left corner. If you use the back button, you will have to capture the image again. Once you have completed your trip, tap the trip number again to enter the load. Tap Check In at the bottom to update the load with your arrival to the receiver. When you are empty or complete at this stop, tap Check Out at the bottom. The app will automatically move to the POD screen to scan and upload the POD. Complete this the same as the upload for the BOL. Remember, upload button, not back button. The load is now complete and will not show in the current assignments, but does show in the history. From here, you can still enter the load information and re-upload any documents that might be needed due to being illegible, or any additional load documents. Once the load is paid and the settlement is issued, you will see the historical data in Pay Statistics. Here we can see the pay for the load, as well as the approved reimbursement. And that's it for app navigation and use. If you have any specific questions on data you see in the app, please contact your DC. You are free to install the app on your personal device as well, and if you have any issues with the app on the company device, please let your DC know so that they can open a ticket with IT.